This is not chicken.
What?
Are you serious?
These are soy curls, a common plant-based meat alternative, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this simple ingredient to mimic the look, taste, and texture of your classic pulled barbecue chicken that you can use in any dish. Now if you've never heard of soy curls, these are made from whole soybeans that have been soaked and cooked in water for several hours. The beans are then mashed into a pulp and then formed into these little strips that you see here. Now, I know a lot of people tend to use jackfruit for plant-based meat, especially chicken, but in my opinion, I feel that soy curls are superior to jackfruit. They have more protein and they also have a more meat-like texture. Don't get me wrong, I do like jackfruit, but I feel there are certain cases where you're better off using soy curls, and this is one of those times. This recipe is super easy. It takes no more than 15 minutes to make. So to get started, you're going to take your soy curls and you're going to submerge them and let them soak in hot water for 10 minutes. This is going to rehydrate the soy curls and get them nice and plump. Here's an up-close view of what they look like after they've been soaked. Whoa, fumble on the play.
Come on, man.
Let's try that again. After the 10 minutes, you can drain them and remove any excess moisture, and it's time to cook them in the skillet. For our recipe, we're gonna saute some red onions first. We like to saute red onions in a lot of different dishes, and this is definitely one of them. So after we season those up, we're then gonna add our soy curls that have been rehydrated, and we're gonna season this up just a little bit with a few different seasonings like salt and pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika. You don't have to add too much because we're obviously going to be adding the barbecue sauce, and then we're going to keep these moving around in the skillet. As needed, make sure to scrape the bottom of the skillet because sometimes the soy curls can get a little stuck. Just one thing to keep in mind. After the soy curls have been browned, now it's time to add our barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you'd like. I like using the Stubbs barbecue sauce. It's pretty simple and it tastes really good, very reliable. Now, if I didn't know what soy curls were, I would probably think that this was barbecue chicken right now. I mean, I would be like, this is barbecue chicken, right? All right, so now that that's all done, it's time to build our plate. As you can see here, I made this barbecue chicken bowl that has some roasted green beans and some sweet potato fries. But again, use this in whatever you'd like. There are no limits here. Now it's time for a quick taste test. Here's an up-close view so that you can really see, again, that chicken-like look and texture. And as always, my expression says it all. Whoa.
Tastes like chicken.
There are so many ways that you can use this. Here's another example of me using it in a barbecue ranch chicken salad that included some black beans and corn, super protein packed, and this also tasted amazing. Definitely give soy curls a try. You can find these on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below in case you want to check them out. And if you're interested in another barbecue recipe, then definitely check out our ginger barbecue tempeh recipe by clicking on this video here in the top right. Until next time, stay young, stay healthy, and live well, friends. Peace.